Imagine a supplement that could target multiple hallmarks of aging at once, rejuvenate cellular function, improve metabolism, enhance strength, and even support brain health. It sounds like science fiction, but research from top medical institutions suggests the GlyNAC combination of glycine and N-acetylcysteine may be one of the most promising interventions in the fight against aging. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind GlyNAC, explaining how it works, what studies show, and why it could revolutionize healthy aging, all backed by real, peer-reviewed research. First, let's understand the basics. GlyNAC combines glycine, a key amino acid involved in protein synthesis and detoxification, with N-acetylcysteine NAC, a precursor to glutathione, one of the body's most important antioxidants. Glutathione is often called the master antioxidant because it neutralizes reactive oxygen species, reduces oxidative stress, and supports mitochondrial health. Aging is associated with glutathione depletion, mitochondrial dysfunction, chronic inflammation, and increased oxidative stress, all recognized hallmarks of aging. GlyNAC directly addresses these mechanisms. Clinical trials show remarkable effects. In a landmark study conducted at Washington University School of Medicine, older adults supplemented with GlyNAC for 12 weeks experienced improved mitochondrial function, reduced oxidative stress, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. Participants also demonstrated increased strength, better walking speed, and improved cognitive function. These are not just minor improvements, they represent reversal of multiple aging processes at the cellular and systemic level. For the first time, scientists observed biochemical and functional rejuvenation in humans using a dietary supplement. Oxidative stress is a central driver of aging. It damages DNA, proteins, and lipids, impairing cellular function and accelerating disease development. Glutathione neutralizes these free radicals, but its levels decline with age. By supplying NAC, GlyNAC boosts glutathione production, restoring the body's antioxidant capacity. Glycine supports detoxification pathways and maintains cellular resilience. Together, this combo acts like a cellular shield, reducing oxidative damage, enhancing metabolic efficiency, and promoting longevity at a molecular level. Another critical aspect is mitochondrial health. Mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of cells, naturally decline with age, leading to fatigue, reduced strength, and metabolic dysfunction. GlyNAC supplementation has been shown to restore mitochondrial efficiency, increasing energy production and reducing biomarkers of mitochondrial stress. This effect translates into real-world improvements, such as enhanced muscle strength, better mobility, and improved exercise tolerance, key indicators of functional longevity. Insulin resistance is another hallmark of aging, linked to diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline. GlyNAC improves insulin sensitivity by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, allowing cells to process glucose more efficiently. In clinical studies, older adults taking GlyNAC had lower fasting glucose, improved HbA1c, and enhanced overall metabolic health, suggesting that this supplement may prevent age-related metabolic disorders, a major determinant of lifespan. Cognitive benefits are equally compelling. Oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain contribute to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By restoring glutathione and reducing oxidative damage, GlyNAC supports neuronal health, improves attention, memory, and executive function. In studies, participants reported better mental clarity, focus, and reduced fatigue, highlighting that GlyNAC may protect both mind and body from age-related decline. Inflammation, often called inflammaging, is another critical target. Chronic, low-grade inflammation accelerates aging and contributes to almost every major disease, from heart disease to cancer. GlyNAC has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers, including CRP and IL-6, creating a systemic environment that supports cellular repair and regeneration. By attacking multiple hallmarks simultaneously, GlyNAC functions as a multi-targeted intervention, a rarity in the field of anti-aging research. Muscle health, strength, and physical function are essential for longevity. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, increases the risk of falls, disability, and early mortality. In clinical trials, older adults taking GlyNAC for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in grip strength, walking speed, and overall physical performance. These functional improvements are as important as biochemical markers because they directly influence independence, quality of life, and survival. Another key benefit is enhanced detoxification. Aging reduces the body's ability to process and remove toxins. Glycine is a substrate for detoxification pathways, helping the liver neutralize harmful compounds. NAC supports glutathione-dependent detox processes. Together, GlyNAC helps the body cleanse itself at the cellular level, reducing cumulative damage that contributes to aging and disease. Safety is also a major advantage. GlyNAC is composed of naturally occurring amino acids and precursors, with studies showing excellent tolerability and minimal side effects. Unlike many pharmacological interventions, GlyNAC can be taken long-term as a nutraceutical approach to healthy aging, making it accessible for a broad population. It's important to note that GlyNAC is not a miracle pill. It works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, including balanced nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. Think of it as a powerful tool in an overall longevity toolkit, amplifying the benefits of other anti-aging strategies. The concept of targeting multiple hallmarks of aging simultaneously is groundbreaking. While many interventions address just one mechanism like antioxidants, exercise, or caloric restriction, GlyNAC attacks oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, insulin resistance, inflammation, and detoxification at once. This holistic approach represents a new frontier in anti-aging science and positions GlyNAC as one of the most promising supplements for extending health span and functional longevity. From an emotional perspective, taking control of aging is empowering. Aging often feels inevitable and uncontrollable, but GlyNAC provides scientific evidence that we can actively reverse or slow cellular decline. By targeting fundamental mechanisms of aging, it offers hope for improved vitality, independence, and quality of life as we grow older. Recent research continues to support these findings. Multiple studies in older adults show that 12 weeks of GlyNAC supplementation can reverse glutathione deficiency, reduce oxidative stress, improve mitochondrial function, and enhance overall physical and cognitive performance. Researchers describe these changes as rejuvenation at the cellular level, a milestone in human aging research that brings interventions from theory into practical application. In conclusion, GlyNAC represents a multi-targeted, evidence-based approach to healthy aging. By combining glycine and NAC, it restores glutathione, reduces oxidative stress, improves, mitochondrial and metabolic function, lowers inflammation, supports cognitive health, and enhances physical performance. While it's not a magic cure, GlyNAC is one of the few interventions shown in clinical studies to reverse multiple hallmarks of aging simultaneously, making it a revolutionary tool for longevity and health span. The takeaway is clear. Science is no longer limited to slowing aging in theory. GlyNAC provides a practical, research-backed method to restore cellular function, protect organs, improve metabolism, and support overall vitality, potentially extending not just lifespan but health span. The years of life spent fully functional and vibrant.